Look at no.
Well, you gotta be easy. Be careful.
Okay, look at me.
Here.
Look at me and
you
smile
okay.
real big.
I was taking a video.
The big smile.
See him?
The huge one. Hey, gummit.
Oh, easy.
Look at Nana.
Look at Nana.
Look at Nana.
Don't stick your finger in there.
Look at
He'll
Nana.
bite you.
He'll bite you.
I'm taking a picture of you with your
Look.
turtle.
Yeah.
Smile real big.
He
Hey.
smells?
Hey,
He stinks.
big smile.
Stinks. That's his butt. Right there. Yeah. That's his butt.
He's not gonna look at me.
Hey, be easy with his butt.
See his feet? See his feet right there? Yeah. He's all up in his
Can you
shit.
give him a kiss?
Not there. See a hard shell? See? Say, wake up. He's sleeping? Yeah, he's sleeping.
Big smile.
Look and smile
Hey,
at Nana.
big smile.
Big smile.
Huge. Give me your biggest smile.
And move your finger.
He's not gonna do it.
It's a turtle. Yeah,
To do.
turtle. Oh, it's okay. And you want to go find more? See? Oh, he does stink. Yeah, you want to let him go? You want to let him go? No?
What about his mama?
You go put him back over there.
Don't throw him.
Don't throw
Yeah,
him.
don't
Just
throw
set him
him.
down real easy, okay? Real easy.
Easy.
Yeah, just set him down real easy right there. Yeah, right there. Just set him down real easy. Yeah.
I wish its head would pop out and walk. So he'd walk or whatever
That dog
for him.
freaked him out, bro. Huh? Yeah. Now you making him walk? Are you making him walk? Is that your first turtle?
I wish we had something to keep it in.
I know. They make good pets. It'd be an awesome first pet for him.